Series 2 Road Trip Playset. It comes with 10 plus surprises. It comes with a cozy coupe, accessories, a Series 3 doll, Can Do Baby, and of course the fold out playset. Let's open her up. And these are plastic blind bags. Let's open it up. This is our playset so far. It looks so cute. It says Music Fest is 2 miles away. And I thought it was so cute because it says LOL Pop magazine and it has Grunge Girl. We have her. Hey Grunge Girl. So let's open up all of our blind bags and put together our set. Can't wait to meet you, Can Do Baby. Let's rock out. Last but not least, our cozy coupe. Let us get Can Do Baby dressed and show her to her playset. Road trip. We have Can Do Baby's dress, her cute little bottle, her shoes, her red headband, some dice she can hang up in the window of her car, and we have Miss Can Do Baby. We are going to get her dressed and go straight to the cozy coupe. Hey friends! I am all dressed here. I see that sign on my playset that says Music Fest is 2 miles away. So I'm gonna hop in my cozy coupe and I am gonna head this way and see what other friends and playsets I can see along the way. Let's go. And we're off. I have my bottle in the bag. Beep, beep. Hey, who's this pulling up to our practice? We don't know. Oh my goodness, you're a Grunge Girl. My name's Can Do Baby. I just got unboxed and I wanted to come and say hi. Well, hello. Hi, nice to meet you. I am Gigi, or Grunge Girl. Okay, it was nice to meet you. Get back to practicing. Bye-bye. Ooh, what is this? Welcome. My name is Roller Skater, and you are at my roller rink. Get out the car.
Hey girl, you wanna come stay with me?
Nah, I'm okay. I just got unboxed by the Perry crew and I just wanted to come over and say hi.
Are you sure? Sure. I got a DJ booth.
Well, it is tempting. Oh, you fell out of the skates. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Well, it was nice to meet you. I'm gonna keep skating. Ha. Driving in my new. Oh, MC Swag! Hi! Oh my gosh, I can't Here's our next playset. Oh my, this playset friend looks asleep. But I love her playset. It makes me think of Halloween and scary movies. I'll come back to meet you next time, friend. Let's see what's next. This playset friend looks like they're open.
Hey friend, I'm Boss Queen. And this is my office.
Ooh, your office is very nice, Boss Queen. Look at that view. My name is Can Do Baby, and I am just on a road trip to visit all of my playset friends, and you are one of them. Well, thank you. I am honored. Thank you for stopping by, and I'm glad you got to take a look around at my office. Please come back soon. Of course, all of you are just so friendly. I gotta get back to my car. Thanks for inviting me in. No problem. Thanks for stopping in. Boss Queen sure is nice. It's been a long road trip. I sure am thirsty, but I see one more playset friend that I can go and introduce myself to. So let's go, friends. There's one more playset friend. Looks like Independent Queen.
Hey, Independent Queen. Sounds like someone just pulled up.
Really? Okay. Let me do the finishing touches of my makeup, and then I'll go check it out.
And you are?
Yeah, we've never seen you before. Anyways, my name is Downtown Doll. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. My name is Can Do Baby, and I came to just introduce myself because I just got unboxed. And I seen you girls were still up hanging out. Well, welcome to the OMG team. It's nice to meet you. I'm Independent Queen. Oh, I know. Can I just take a look around your playset? Sure, be my guest. Prim is standing over here by the Ferris wheel. We have tons of lights. I love makeup, and as you see, I have my own desk right here. I even have my own mirror that you can see through. Downtown Doll is over here by the VIBB seats, and we have some of the best drinks. And look, we even have a TV so we can see our own version of the Music Fest. Thanks for the warm welcome, girls. Hang out with us? We have plenty of things to do. I can do your makeup too. It's been a long, tiring road trip for me. I think I'm gonna get back to my playset and call it a night.
Come visit us soon, sister.
My, everyone sure was nice. But home sweet home. I cannot wait to call it a day. Thank you guys for unboxing my road trip playset with me. Please have a good day, and I hope you guys had fun. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye, friends. Thanks for watching.